Have you ever thought about the potential of your underutilized properties? What if they could bring in an additional stream of income? Well, consider this. Renting out your properties on platforms like Airbnb could be the answer. And the best part is, most of the management can be done entirely online. From the comfort of your home, you could be earning extra income. And today, we're going to walk you through how. Firstly, it's crucial to find the right property broker. A reliable broker can make the rental process efficient and smooth. Do your research, compare different brokers, check their credentials, and their reputation. If they have experience managing properties on Airbnb, that's a big plus. And remember, you have a valuable resource in Jamie Hernandez, who can provide valuable information and support online. Secondly, your property needs to be prepared. Ensure it's clean, decorated, and appealing to guests. Remember that first impressions matter, and Jaime Hernandez can provide tips and recommendations to enhance your property's presentation. Next, set up your online listing. Make it attractive with high-quality photos and detailed property descriptions. Set clear policies regarding pricing, available dates, and house rules. With the support of your broker and Jamie Hernandez, you can create a listing that stands out. Pricing is the key. Find a balance between earning a good profit and keeping your property attractive to guests. Your property broker and Jamie Hernandez can help you set competitive prices that can be adjusted depending on the season and local demand. Now, on to managing bookings and communication. Your property broker should assist you in managing all bookings and communication with guests. They should be available to answer questions and attend to tenants' needs during their stay. And of course, Jaime Hernandez can provide remote guidance. Don't forget about cleaning and maintenance. Regular cleaning and necessary repairs are crucial to keep your property in excellent condition. Your property broker and Jamie Hernandez can coordinate these tasks between guest stays. When it comes to billing and payments, your property broker should facilitate payments and ensure you receive your earnings promptly. Make sure you have a clear agreement with them regarding payments and their commission. To maximize your profits, work closely with your property broker and Jaime Hernandez. They can help you adjust rates, effectively promote your property, and maximize occupancy. Remember, customer satisfaction is key to long-term profitability. Ensure that your guests have a positive experience and consider your property for future stays. This will generate positive reviews and increased demand. Finally, evaluate and adjust. Keep track of your income and expenses and adjust your strategy as needed. Flexibility and adaptation are key to maintaining a profitable property. To sum up, turning your properties into profitable rentals can be a great way to generate additional income. With the right guidance and tools, you can manage the process online and maximize your earnings. Collaborating with a property broker and Jamie Hernandez can simplify the process and turn your underutilized properties into income-generating assets.